Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable the confirm before sending feature in Gmail. If you've ever sent an email by mistake or hit send too soon, this quick setting can save you from an awkward situation. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. You'll need to make sure you're signed into your account before moving on. Next, tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. That's the icon with 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. This will open a sidebar with a list of options. From there, scroll down until you see settings and tap on it. This will take you to the main Gmail settings page. If you use multiple accounts, make sure to select the one you want to adjust. Once you're in settings, choose general settings. This section controls the overall behavior of the Gmail app rather than settings for one specific account. Now, scroll down until you find action confirmations. This is where Gmail lets you control what types of confirmations you want before taking certain actions. It's a great way to add an extra layer of protection against accidental taps. Under Action Confirmations, look for the option that says Confirm Before Sending. Simply toggle the switch on. When enabled, Gmail will always ask you to confirm before an email is sent. This gives you a second chance to double-check the recipient, subject, and message before it leaves your outbox. Once you've turned it on, you can back out of the settings. The change is saved automatically, no extra steps required. Now, the next time you try to send an email, Gmail will ask if you really want to send it. It's a small step that can help prevent big mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Confirm Before Sending in Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.